What's good, y'all? Ruds here. Today's soap review features Shannon Soaps Lakeshore Drive. Shannon Soaps is an Ohio-based artisan. Shannon, the soap maker of the business, is a degreed chemist and former English teacher who traded in her profession for a stay-at-home mom life, as well as soap making. In addition to making soap and bath products, Shannon also enjoys baking, cooking, and she has an extensive coral reef in her living room. Shannon soaps can be purchased direct on her website, also at maggardrazors.com or smallflower.com. So, Lakeshore Drive is a dirty aquatic that was inspired by the Great Lakes bordering Ohio to the north. Scent notes on this fragrance feature ozone, bergamot, orange, neroli, labdanum, bay, and coumarin. The scent opens with a pop of citrus before the ozone and herbaceous notes kick in. Dirty Aquatic is a fitting bill for this scent. Fresh and clean upon opening, more balanced to end the adventure, if you will. Mrs. Rudd's is neutral on this scent, so this is a casual user here at the house. She doesn't love it for date night, although she appreciates it enough to allow me to smell like it, kicking around, doing chores, errands, that stuff like that. Scent strength on this is mid off of the puck and remains mid for the entire lather and shave process. TryThatSoap.com recommends Talbot Shaving Chittenango Creek as a similar scent profile. Lakeshore Drive is offered in Shannon Soap's premium soap base known as Rust Belt Reserve. I will list the ingredients below for you to peek at. The soap is of mid-firmness on the firmness spectrum. Quite an easy loader. On the thirstier side as well. This tallow-based soap enjoys a lot of water. And when you do properly dial in the lather, you should arrive at a consistency which is similar to sour cream. A nice balance of density and volume with a favor towards density. Slickness on this soap is excellent, both in terms of visible slickness as well as residual slickness. Zero fear of the razor dragging or skipping a bead as it glides across the skin surface. Much like Slickness, post-shave is also excellent. I'm left with a soft, silky feeling on my skin for a couple hours after the shave is complete. For me, there's a noticeable difference between the premium Rust Belt Reserve and Shannon's standard formula. I've really enjoyed this soap base in my weeks of testing it. As such, we've arrived at a ShaveScore of 95. For similar performance in a soap base, I suggest you check out Highland Springs Soap Company Tallow Base. Alright folks, we're back. As you'd expect from a 95 ShaveScore, I had a beautiful face and dome shave this evening with Shannon Soaps, Lakeshore Drive. I want to thank Shannon and Brian, her husband, for providing me the opportunity to review this stellar soap base, and I think this scent is really going to be wildly popular with the upcoming spring and the introduction of brighter scents with a little bit of dirty in the background. Do hope you'll have the opportunity to check out Shannon Soaps. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say. If you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.